First of all, guys, I want to say Happy New Year. It's the 1st of January and I'm about to try a whiskey and cola, and I think you guys have been waiting for it. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Pierre, Simple Home Brew. Now you just saw that I just did the first pouring of the whiskey. It's a Kegland Irish whiskey and cola, and I'm going to try it. But before I do, I need to admit to a mistake I made making this. Link up here for the actual video on making this product. I added way too much sugar. It was pointed out to me, and I didn't even notice it until a subscriber pointed it out to me. Thank you very much for that, by the way. Reading the instructions on their website, they kind of blend together on the sheet. I'm sorry, but I thought that you needed 680 grams of sugar for 9.5 litres of fluid. It turns out that actually is for 19 litres of fluid. And I actually put in about 900 grams of sugar in it. So this is going to be sweet. Unfortunately, that's just how it is. It should have had 680 for the 19 litres I made. And I wanted to make it a lot less. So I tried to reduce the amount, thinking that I had to do over 1200 grams. But I didn't. I got it all wrong. Anyway, we'll try it. This is it. This is our cold brew cola and whiskey. It's Irish whiskey and cola, the handmade kit. Bloody smells good. That just smells like Coca-Cola and whiskey. Let's try it, shall we? It's not bad. It needs more carbonation. I've had that carbonated a fair bit. But nonetheless, it's sweet. Obviously. I can taste the sugar, but it tastes quite palatable. I think people enjoy this. Like I said, I've got to get more carbonation in that. It's not carbonated enough. Wow. Look, it's good. It's very good. Too much sugar. I can actually taste the white sugar flavour in it because I've got too much in there. But other than that, it's very, very nice. And the flavour, if I was to buy a can of bourbon, cola, no, whiskey and cola, I'm really not going to notice a difference. They've done a great job getting the flavours right. Look, it's good. Okay, just in the middle of me editing that, I just realised that I should compare it with some sort of product, a commercial kind of product. I've got a Southern Heritage blended bourbon. Now, it's not going to be exactly the same, but it's going to be something it's all I've got at the moment. It's bourbon and cola, so why not? This come from Aldi. It was cheap, and I thought, well, why not compare a cheap one with something that's relatively cheap as well? So I'm going to do that. So what I'll do is I'll pour that into my other glass, and I want to compare them. Just compare the look, the taste, the flavour, the sweetness. And of course, it's going to be a lot of alcohol. And I don't mind today. I'm in celebration mode. So didn't get drunk last night because I played a gig. And you can't drink when you play a gig, even though some people do. I didn't. So this is mine. Dark, kind of see-through. Oh, you can't see. Yeah, try that. This is the commercial one. Oh, come on. Really? Come on. This is a pain in the butt. Oh, look. Check this out. Simple Homebrew, YouTube, brewing made easy. How good's that? Anyway, these are the two glasses. I'll compare them. You can see that one's the colder one. This one's the commercial one. And they look very similar, actually. And I thought maybe mine's a bit too cloudy. But it looks the same. Anyway, let's try it. Oh, the carbonation actually is coming through. I sat it around a bit, so maybe the carbonation disappeared. But anyway, look, this one's, if you can see that, it's fizzing, which is what already comparable. Right. Oh, okay. There's no comparison. They're the same. They're very similar. Of course, it's bourbon, but the cola flavors are there. Pardon me. I'm picking up glass after glass. This is my one. Definitely sweeter. But the cola flavor. Look. Yes, I can tell that's better cola, and it's not as sweet. It's probably more palatable than this one, but this is quite good anyway. Look. My mistake. I put too much sugar in it. It doesn't matter. It's going to work anyway. And I'm happy that this actually worked out well. I'm going to probably turn someone into a diabetic if they're going to drink it. But I think if you drink cola and bourbon or cola and whiskey all the time, you're going to turn into a diabetic anyway. Either way, they both taste as good as each other. That is actually quite good. This is from Aldi. Where's the can? Just to let you know. Southern Heritage Blended Bourbon and Cola. It's 4.6%, about the same as what I'm doing. Expertly distilled and aged in new oak barrels. Southern Heritage's Blended Bourbon and Cola is a rich and woody oak, sweet cola flavors and subtle touch of vanilla. Look, I like vanilla in my whiskies anyway, and I think it's nice. That is actually quite a good drink. I better get this edited before I get drunk. Alright guys, let's keep going. If you want a quick, cheaper way of doing it, getting something in a keg that gives you 19 litres of whiskey and cola, and it includes the cost of everything, which costs $135 for the whole kit, and being that it's a budget-friendly idea. I mean, if you buy this much in whiskey and cola in cans, you're going way over $300 to $400 for this setup, and that's going to be be hard smack in the budget. And really, the flavour to me is not a big problem. I do very much like that, and it's very tasty. I can live with that. It's good. Wow. Yep. Carbonation needs to get in there. It is still low carbed. That was a very easy drink to drink. Really enjoyed it. I'm actually going to get myself another one. I think that was pretty good. What I might do though, I may take some of that out and water it down a little bit and get some more product to put in it to just to take the sweetness out a little bit, unfortunately. But as it aged, it's been, 2 weeks? Other than being a little bit too sweet, it's quite nice, and I believe you guys should give it a go. And there's a couple of people out there who I know already tried it out, and I'm sure their results are going to be just as good as mine. It's not bad. It's not bad at all, guys. Check it out. I'll put a link down there in the description, and hopefully you might get something benefit out of it too. Cheers, guys. Have a great one. Have a good new year. It is New Year's Day, and I hope the rest of your week, month, year is the best month, year that you'll ever have. Cheers, guys. We'll see you soon.